Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Acura RDX with its key. First, ensure you have your key fob readily available. It's crucial that the key fob battery has enough power for reliable communication with your vehicle. Take a moment to understand the functions of the various buttons on your fob, such as lock, unlock, and the panic alarm. This initial preparation ensures a smooth starting process every time you get into your RDX. Once you have your key fob, press the unlock button to gain entry to your Acura RDX. If, however, your key fob battery is completely depleted, don't worry. You can access your vehicle by using the hidden physical key. Simply slide the small release on the fob to extract the metal key. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door and enter your car. With your key fob inside the vehicle, take your seat and ensure your foot is firmly pressed on the brake pedal. This is a critical safety step before starting the engine. Now, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found on the dashboard. Press this button once. Your Acura RDX engine should now smoothly ignite, ready for your drive. Release the brake pedal once the engine is running. Should your key fob battery be running low, there's an emergency starting procedure. Simply hold the key fob directly against the engine start/stop button. This allows the vehicle's system to read the embedded chip within the fob, even with a weak battery. While holding the fob in place, ensure your foot remains firmly on the brake pedal. Then, press the engine start/stop button. Your Acura RDX will now start, allowing you to reach your destination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.